Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you people are new here, do subscribe and also press the ring bell beside the subscribe button. Let's start today's topic. Today our topic is what's the difference between arteries and veins and what is the same. For the blood to be circulated throughout the body, it must travel to every part of the body. The blood vessels are the medium by which the blood travels. There are two main types of blood vessels, arteries and veins. While the blood vessels have the primary function of transporting blood throughout the body, they still serve other functions. Veins carry blood to the heart, while arteries carry blood away. The first thing that comes to mind when you think of the heart and blood vessels in the heart itself is an organ that pumps blood through the blood vessels. The heart is made of strong muscle tissue and has 4 chambers. The heart is in the upper left side of the chest and is protected by the rib cage and the lungs. Within the heart are 4 major blood vessels called the aorta, the pulmonary artery, the pulmonary vein, and the left coronary artery. For a long time, people have gotten confused about the difference between veins and arteries. Many people also ignore the veins since many people don't even know that they have them. Let's help clear things up with this post. Arteries and veins are a part of the circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of the heart, arteries, veins, and blood. Through the circulatory system, the heart pumps blood throughout our body. Arteries are made of tough, elastic tissue that can expand and contract. Arteries carry the oxygen-rich blood from the heart to all of the body's organs except the heart and lungs. And what are veins? In a nutshell, veins are blood vessels that carry blood from the body's tissues back to the heart. They are part of the cardiovascular system, which delivers oxygen-rich blood to the body and carries carbon dioxide-rich blood away from the body. Although they may look very different, arteries and veins play the same roles in blood circulation. Both vessels carry blood back to the heart, and the heart itself is located in the chest cavity, which is where both your arteries and you. Next is what are arteries? Arteries are blood vessels that deliver blood from the heart to the rest of the body. They are also known as arterial blood vessels or large blood vessels. Arteries are muscular vessels that carry blood away from the heart. They are smaller than the veins and carry oxygen-rich blood. The walls of the arteries contain 3 layers of tissue, an inner lining, an intermediate layer, and an outer layer. Arteries have thicker walls than veins and can withstand higher. Now let's know about what's the difference between veins and arteries. Arteries and veins are both blood vessels, but they function differently. As arteries move blood from the heart to the body, veins move blood from the rest of the body to the heart. Both arteries and veins have an inner lining that contains elastic fibers that keep the blood vessels from collapsing. They also have a circular structure that makes the blood vessels expand and contract to push blood through them. Arteries and veins are both part of the circulatory system, but they are very different. Arteries are the vessels that carry blood away from the heart, while veins carry blood toward the heart. Veins have one-way valves that prevent blood from flowing back to the heart. These valves keep blood from flowing backward, so blood can only go in one direction. Since veins have one-way valves, they can only move blood toward the heart. Conclusion: arteries are the big pipes that carry blood to and from the heart. Veins are the small pipes that carry blood back towards the heart. I hope you found this video useful. I look forward to speaking with you in my next video.